Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the binary puzzle. Yes, binary puzzle. In this daily newspaper of Wednesday, February the 23rd, 2022, we have here in this additional 6 extra puzzles: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary. Yeah, it's time for the binary. This will be number 4. Oh, my pencil is empty. 4170. Well. 4170. All right. 4170. Before I start, let me count the boxes. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah, double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then. Let me see, we have here 3 O's, and I know between an O1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So these 2 boxes should be a 1. Okay, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. I think we need to compare. Well, let me see. We need to compare the rows, I believe. This row. 1001, yeah. Double 1 here. No. Let me see. 3 ones. No. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's in this column. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 4 minutes. Yes. I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle, 8 tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.